Hi everybody, this is Patrick from DoggieDashboard, and today I'm going to show you how to use the report cards feature as well as customize it to your needs. So to just create a basic report card right here using the default settings here, we're going to select a pet. We'll select Aardvark. The report card title here, we're going to call it Doggy Daycare Report Card. And then you can see there's different sections here: the eating section, walking section, socialization, behavior, bathroom break, and training. And so you can click on any of these and add a little bit of a note to the report card. So we'll just click on the eating section. The title is going to say, "This is what I ate." And we'll say, Baxter had a big bowl of food at 9 a.m. Comments, we could say, he's doing really, let's type it, really well and enjoys daycare. We'll give him an A+ for the day. Here, a picture was already loaded because Baxter's picture is in our database. If we click on this dog face here, it'll load another picture. For the farewell message, we'll say, "Thank you for your business. Please leave us a review on Facebook." And we'll spell that correctly. And then we're going to create that report card. It's getting created right now in the cloud. And so while that's getting created, I'm going to refresh the page here. And so if I want to see the report card that was just created, at the very top here, it says click here to view saved cards. Click there. And there you can see Aardvark, the one we just created. We'll click to view. And pretty simple here. There's the Doggy Daycare report card, an A+ grade. And then here's, "This is what I ate. Baxter had a big bowl of food at 9 a.m. And then the comments that we wrote. And there's the closing message right there. And that's the basics of a DoggieDashboard report card. It has your logo as well as your business information at the top. However, you can also really customize this to your needs, and I'm going to show you how to do that next. So we're going to delete that report card, and then we're going to create a new report card here. So here you can see we're back on the main page. But now let's start doing some customizations. We're going to add a customer title that we always want to keep as our default. So we're going to call it Happy Times Dog Daycare Report Card, something like that. And we're going to set that as our default title. Click there, and now the default title has been updated. So the next time we refresh the page, the title will remain the same, so we don't have to keep typing it in. Down here at the bottom for the farewell message, we'll just say, "Thank you so much. Please leave us a review on Facebook." We'll set that as a default, and there you go. Now those are going to stay there every time you come back. You can see we refresh the page and it's still the same. So that's good. If you clear your cookies, these will get cleared as well. So don't clear your cookies too often. If you do, you'll just have to reset your defaults. And now we can see down here, we have these 6 button options. Maybe we don't want to use the eating section, the walking section, and the socialization section. What we can do is customize them for our own needs. So for section 1, we're going to make this a thing called leash work. Let's say we're a training business and we want to make it just about leash work. We're going to change the button title to leash work. This is the button right here that has the title on it. We're going to change it to leash work and then say OK. And now you can see the button has been changed to leash work. So now we don't have to keep clicking on section 1 and then changing it. So now it's leash work. And the section 1 heading, we're going to have this say, "How I did on the leash." And we're going to set that as a default. Click OK. And there you go. Now it has been changed. And if we refresh the page here, you can see that section 1, it says leash work. And if we click on it, it says "How I did on the leash." And so we're good to go. So we can also do that for any of these other sections. Let's say change section 2 to, we're going to call this one, it'll be obedience work. It's going to be the name of the heading, and the button itself, we'll also call it the same thing. And we're going to set that as a default. And there you go. Obedience work is now a button up here at the top. And we're going to create a report card quickly. So let's refresh the page just to show you that it stays there. There you can see leash work and obedience work are still the same. For Aardvark again, leash work, how I did on the leash, I love the leash. And then obedience work, let's go here. Oh, we didn't save this one. We got to go back here, set that as a default. And there we go. Now obedience work is set there. Before I did not set it as a default, so it didn't get saved. And obedience will say, I am very obedient. Obedient. Excuse me. I am very obedient. There we go. It's very early in the morning here. And then we have leash work. I love the leash. There we go. Dog is going to be aardvark. Let's just create this. Boom. Report card is getting created. While it's getting created, if you ever want to remove all your work that you've done here, if you want to kind of reset your defaults because you don't want it to say leash work and obedience work anymore, simply scroll down to the bottom, hit this black button here that says click here to reset report card customizations. Click there. That'll get rid of your farewell message. That'll bring all your buttons back to their original titles, and it'll get rid of your title as well at the top there. And so it kind of gives you a fresh slate to work. And so let's quickly go over and look at the completed report cards. We'll find Aardvarks, which is right there. Click to view. And there you can see that we have how I did on the leash. I love the leash. And then obedience work is I am very obedient. And so that is how you use the DoggieDashboard report cards feature. You can now 100% customize it to your needs. Thanks for using DoggieDashboard. If you have any questions, email me, info@DoggieDashboard.com, and have a great day. Bye.